Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make easy slime without cornstarch or bars. So that is very soft slime and jiggly. So let's get started. What you need is something to mix in. I'm sorry, this I use spoon. Something to mix with, I use this paper plate. Glue. This is a mixture of strawberry pencuci and water. So let's get started. I forgot to say this is mine I made this week. So let's get started. Firstly, take your plate or something to mix in and put glue. You can put food coloring if you want. Today I'm gonna put green in color. And then mix it. After mixing, put your mixture of water and strawberry pencuci. Put 1 tablespoon and then mix it. I put 1 tablespoon more, 1 tablespoon. And then mix it. Mix it until it becomes slime. So this is my slime. Very soft. Fun to play with.